Shikili Ascension y como un día 8 ganadora de Best Young Journalist de Football for Friendship, me aguardo un par de tareas para mandar mensaje para mi amigo de Football for Friendship ronde mundo. Essa aqui está onde promenan como me estar Amanda y me quero compartir con vos también. Hi, my name is Shikili Ascension. I'm 13 years old and I'm from Aruba. The whole island is currently sheltered in place. I'm at home with my mom, dad, brother, uncle, and grandma. I wish all the children in the world to be safe and in good health, especially my Football for Friendship friends. I stay home because I want to see my brother play soccer for my favorite national team and be cheering for them. I stay home because I want to see my grandpa and my great-grandfather and give them a big hug. I stay home because in the future, I want to see my Football for Friendship friends again. And I stay home because I want to finish my education and travel the world. Queda casa para mi futuro.